Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix CapabilityAccessManager.db-wal taking up huge disk space on Windows 11. Open Advanced Startup. Type BCD Edit. Find Windows installed drive letter, in my case Windows installed drive letter is C. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.